Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I made this rug using old bed sheet. These are the two old bed sheets that I took for making the rug. At first I am cutting both the bed sheet in long strands. This was actually taking a lot of time, so I called my sister for helping me. Then we started making braids with the bedsheet strands. Okay, so quick jugaad, we tied the bedsheet pieces to the window with plastic clips so that we both could do the braiding. These are the plastic clips and secure it like this. Secure both the ends so that the braid does not open. These are all the braids of the bed sheet. Now take one end of a braid and stitch it properly. I haven't followed any pattern, this just needs to be properly secured. After stitching, cut out the excess part. Now take two different strands, place it properly and join it by stitching. Again, after stitching, cut out the excess part. Make sure you don't cut the thread that you just stitched. Now with the braids, make spirals. If you want, you can also make it in different shapes. Stitch along the spirals between two braids. I actually didn't stitch, I used glue gun for securing the braids. But I don't know what happened, the glue gun part got deleted, so I couldn't show that. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I come up with new video every Saturday.